Okay, so this pine cone's just chilling on the table. And it has a web. You see the spider web?
Where's the spider web?
It's right here. So a spider decided to use the pine cone to hook onto to crawl. And then the pumpkin plant decided to use it as a stabilizer. So we have just that one pine cone that just got set there for a minute, and look at how many people utilized it.
Look.
Plants and animals. There's probably bacteria inside. Don't do that. You might pull it off.
What? The spider web?
Yeah, it's right here. See? Don't break it.
I want
Oh, the spider will be sad. Oh well.
Well, it's okay. Spider can make more webs.